Teams has now become the go-to meeting app, especially within the Microsoft ecosphere. The ability to call different users in your company, coworkers, regardless of their location, has become critically important in this pandemic era. So the ability within Teams to call up a user's name because they are part of your system and call them instantly and get either a call back, you can do video, you can do sound, or the ability to leave them a voicemail if they are not available is critical now. PCG uses Teams for almost everything we do at this point, and it's actually quite supplanted both the telephone that's on our desk and Outlook, which is on our PCs. It's much easier to just either send the file, but immediately have a video call to any one of my coworkers to talk about what it is that might be challenging at that moment. Company meetings are now almost exclusively handled in Teams. We have a Thursday morning huddle where the entire company arrives and each person has their own camera and their own video that we are seeing them in. And it really allows us to keep that teamwork aspect together that's so critical to what we do, while also not requiring everyone to come into the office, have to deal with the rules of masks and social distancing. So it's really become almost immediately, we were using it a little bit before, but now for a lot of companies and for us, it is indispensable. Indispensable. And it's all part of your Office 365 subscription. It's not a new subscription. You don't have to purchase it again. You get it for free if you think of it that way because you're already using Office 365. So Teams is really a no-brainer. Your ability to get in front of the camera and talk and really get that facial recognition for the point that you're trying to make is so important. There are etiquettes and rules that you want to follow, and it's always a little funny to discuss these things. We've all seen the memes, okay? You try to dress for it. If you try to wear what you would wear if you were standing in front of them. If you're wearing something different, they're going to notice that on the camera, okay? Another important thing that we always try to teach, and most people just don't really think of, turn your microphone off. If you are not speaking, understand where the microphone mute button is, mute yourself. It prevents the noise in the background, maybe in your home, maybe you have children or your dogs or just even motorcycles and cars driving by. That can impact the meeting. So understanding where that mute button is and then turning it off so that you can speak when it's your turn to speak or you feel like it's time to speak is really critical and so useful for meetings. Understanding how to invite new people to the meeting is a very good skill. You may be in a call with one of your other coworkers and your third coworker comes up as they were also working on this. Knowing how to and taking advantage of the ability to just add them to the video call is a really powerful ability and it's worth exploring. Other than that, not a lot of noise in the background. Be aware if you need to. Try to make people in your home aware that you're about to do a call. Letting them knows that maybe they don't want to be on camera. So giving them little hints that this is going to be a video meeting is coming up is really, really useful. So hopefully that helps with some of the etiquette and points, but it's so powerful. And if you haven't done it yet, you really want to start to use the video conferencing because I really feel like that's really the future of companies' communications.